Hello and welcome to Kofa Kids Studio. Today Miss Catherine is going to show us to make some artwork. Are you ready? Let's get started.
Hello everyone, so today we are going to draw this rainy scene with this little girl and a dog. After you are done sketching, you can continue with your crayons and start coloring the face, hair, the raincoat, and the dog, of course. So over here on the raincoat, I use a light orange and yellow, and I mix it together. And then for the dog, I use a tiny bit of gray and white. Raindrop, I use white colored crayon, so you can use this too. It's a little bit tricky to draw, but just try it out. After you're done, we can make the water puddles. So put a lot of water and blue, and then use the back of the spoon and tap so it will create a splash on the puddle. So I just try to make my paper a little bit wet, and I just tap it with the back of the spoon. On the background, you can start coloring with dark blue because it's raining, so it has to be a little bit darker. So you can use a dark blue and try not to color on the puddles, so we still need the splats to see. And then yeah, basically you are done. So I hope you really enjoy the splash. Be careful not to splash it on your face. Alright, I'm gonna see you next time. Bye.
Thank you so much for watching. Show us your artwork when you are done. See you next time. Bye.